All right, we're gonna do a quick round of UAT on this thing before I go to bed. So first, it started in a very small window. So we're gonna start with that. The starting window is very small. Make it start a little bit bigger so it's actually usable when it opens. And then I'm gonna go the capture source is not really sufficient. Like, I get the microphone one, but the system audio tap one is confusing. I know that we have this driver installed, but like, we should be able to pick what devices the driver is actually connected to, and it doesn't seem to work. So I picked system audio tap and tried to record something, and it wasn't obvious how to get it actually working. What I would expect to see here is that we would pick which microphone, which device to tap, or which audio device to tap, or that there would be a description that says like what it's connected to, or maybe just a help element that explains to me what it's doing. This one seems clear. I thought we had discussed making some additional transcription models available for download. It's fine if we only have the one available, but if that's the only one, then why do we have options there? That's fine. I know that I had given you an original ICP of like a person who was recording cases, but we shouldn't make the UI so prescriptive to that. I'm not totally sure what you were trying to accomplish with cases. It looks like maybe that's your like tagging system or something, or your categorization system, but I don't like it. The nomenclature is wrong, and I think we just need to replace it with some sort of tagging system, because I don't think it makes sense. In individual recordings, of course the cases thing needs to go. Like, we should just replace that with tagging. Make sure you update a story about that. And then the metadata section is weird. Like, I don't know what I see there's a file name and a date, and then some like raw text field that I can update, but it's super confusing and I don't understand how it's helpful. Like, I think we should just get rid of metadata entirely from the UI. The editor UI is it's a decent start, and it looks functional. Actually, I guess I could also, but it's like terribly ugly. Nobody's gonna want to edit stuff like this. You need to check the Otter UI and basically just copy the Otter UI right there. Like the way it looks is awful. And then let's also just do a real quick. Yeah, the editor form UI, like the forms should be inlined by segment or whatever. The you shouldn't have to click save. It should save the segment when you I forget what the name is, when you blur that text segment. Speaker should be on the left. Anyway, you'll figure it out. There we go. Search seems fine. Your search field for speaker should be an enum. It shouldn't be a free text field. I know I told you we wanted to do bots, but I think we've moved away from that. The stub implementation is just confusing. We should just get rid of it. Alright, so that's the UAT, and in case you care about why I did it that way, it's because I have an issue reporting system in CodeMySpec, so I can go to CodeMySpec in the EarWitness project, and here I have all my issues, and what I'll be able to do is to just rip through that and just point the model at all these issues. It'll triage them in and fix it, and then we'll do another round of UAT. That said, a lot of the basic features seem to be working. I think the model just didn't do a very good job on some of the UI elements. So we'll see how it looks after the first round of UAT.